big
taking a
snowstorm.
picture.
We have a snow day here. See, look at that, the snow.
The guys killed me. See, you didn't see a big. I saw
A
him.
lot of snow here. Tell them.
I saw him.
You cannot walk. You cannot pass over.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my lord.
Why you have to say that? As the snow? Huh? Hey! Yung palang ka karon Steven, ha?
What's the blue side? Come on, Ta. I'm thinking about you. You're really thinking about me, okay?
God, the snow here.
Where do you put the blue side?
The bus and the things it can't go.
We need to go because we have to go to the doctor. Everybody, bye, Jimmy. We need to go to the doctor, Mama.
Nope. We cannot go out. We're stuck because there's a snowstorm.
I know. Papa, Jimmy. Go one way. Auntie, tomorrow is a snowstorm. Oh, I'm putting 24. Could we? Because Justin Bieber's there. No, he's gone.
Nope.
Oh my goodness, it's bad. Really bad.